Hey everyone, I'm Lydia, a product manager at VESSL AI. Today, I'm excited to introduce our newly launched serverless mode of VESSL Serve. VESSL Serve is here to help you deploy machine learning models into production environments with ease. And with the new serverless mode, you can run model inferences without managing any infrastructure. It's cost-effective since it only activates and processes requests when they come in. Unlike the always-on provisioning mode, serverless mode uses a scale-to-zero approach. It stays inactive until the request is received, then it queues the request and activates resources to handle it. This means resources are dynamically allocated as needed. If you want a flexible, on-demand solution for serving machine learning models, serverless mode could be an effective solution. In this video, I'll show you how to enable the serverless mode, create new service revision, and handle requests in a scale-to-zero environment. Let's get started. You'll find VESSL Serve under the service menu. Let's start by creating a new service. Here, write your service name, description, and the cluster. Serverless mode is only available on clusters managed by VESSL, so make sure to select the VESSL managed cluster. Then, you'll be able to enable the serverless mode. Hit the create. Once the service is created, you can proceed to create a new revision. In the revision tab, you can specify the resources, Docker image for serving the model, and the tasks to be executed. For this example, we'll use GPU L4 small. Then we'll specify a customer Docker image for the TGI model from Hugging Face. We'll copy that. And also the comments. The ports are already set to 8000, so we'll just skip that. In the advanced options, we'll specify the model ID. Copy this one. All forms filled out on the web are also applied in YAML file. Let's hit the create. Okay, let's go to overview section to see what happened. In the overview, you'll see that the active workers for the revision are set to 0. Now the service is created, so let me show you how to handle the request. I prepared a Python script using OpenAI client to send the request to our service. We'll input the endpoint token into the script and send the request. You can find endpoint information in the request section. We'll use this one as base URL and token on this part. Then let's execute the script with the question, what's the capital of South Korea to OpenAI? Now you can see the response from ChatGPT. Okay, let's return to revision page. And you'll see the worker state has scaled out from 0 to 1. Now, let's wait for 10 minutes to see it scale back to 0. Today, we've walked through a quick guide. This was a very simple example, but using serverless mode can be highly beneficial for cost efficiency and management when operating inference servers. Thank you for watching.